पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
एक दो तीन चार छः.
There she's made her entry. The one who's going to change the entire plan.
तौबा तेरा जलवा, तौबा तेरा प्यार, तेरा इमोशनल अत्याचार. I have gone and pushed those cows out of the way.
First time I met Prajay was in the badminton court of our building, and he was playing badminton, and he's a really good badminton player. At least back then he was.
क्या हुआ हैं?
Sanu sure no?
The other thing he did is, when we were playing badminton that first time, he took all the other girls' intercom number. He
Back
didn't
then
take
it
my
was
intercom number.
numbers. That was
He did not take my intercom number, and I felt so bad about that. And
because
it
we
was-
didn't talk that day.
but I had fallen in love.
I'm googling ways to clear, like how to clear smell out of a venue. Like, is there like a reverse fart bomb situation? You know,
That's
like,
actually a good idea. Like
That's
we
what, like, throw
flower
some-
bomb. Okay, I'm entering from there. All of that shit will happen here. As I'm walking down, there'll be cold pyros going up. And on this side and on this side, there are going to be gaddas, and all of the crowd is going to be seated here facing down. So all of this goes on, we get married. Then as we are getting, after we get married, yeah, we're married, we're walking, and then they're going to throw pool at us. Then over there, most likely, we don't know yet, not sure, will be the, come here, what is this called? Varmala. Here, this setup mein, Sanya and Kajal will come like that in the middle.
Yeah.
Again, there'll be bursts of confetti.
Yeah.
And here we will come like that, and we will do Varmala. Varmala. Yes, we won, we won, we won. You know how they do, we won. Like that we will do, we won. I'm not laughing at my joke. We'll do we won. And then Sanya and Kajal go, we have a vanity van behind.
Oh.
So we'll go into our vanity and then come back, and then the party will start.
Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire. Be a millionaire. Be a millionaire. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire. Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire. Have a
So we're 2 weeks out from the wedding. I think I have broken my pinky finger. I just walked into a wall yesterday and it's really, really hurting. I'm going to the hospital right now. I just woke up in the morning and I've taken a cab and I'm on my way to the hospital. So here we are on our way to Beach Candy Hospital again.
Super. Second home now.
And Sanya's finger is not functioning. I just got my x-ray and we're waiting now to see the print. I'll check my x-ray out and tell you how it is. ChatGPT. I'll upload my x-ray. I can upload my x-ray on ChatGPT and it can tell me, no?
I don't suggest it.
It doesn't look.
It looks fine.
Yeah, it doesn't look broken.
Slay.
Congrats.
You know, usually in order to impress your girlfriend's best friend, you buy her a drink. Jackie has paid for my doctor's appointment. So I think he's allowed to marry Priyal now. We are 2 weeks out from the wedding. Hello, I am her deep tissue massager. Don't make me laugh. Yeah, I am currently here in office to get massaged. That's right. Why do you think the office exists? It's a massage parlor. So we are doubling it as more to massage. Massage mouth. Massage mouth. I like massage mouth. Massage mouth? Massage mouth is it's like massage mouth. Lots of caged animals, uncaged animals available here, as you can see. Animals. Hyena 1, Hyena 2. Manga boys, where are you? Ranveer Kapoor, Ranveer Singh.
I like the because she taught me Korea, Chiana, Mira, Gia.
Yeah.
If I got it right.
I've seen the reel.
Okay.
Korea.
Gia, Mira, Gia. Right.
Too long. Huh? Too long. I wanted to be on the dance floor. I wanted to be out there doing my America dance that we practiced. And these boys gave speeches. It was like, Praja's name is too long for an acrostic poem. I don't want to hear that. I love them, but it doesn't need a story with every single letter. Show your love for him by throwing ass on the dance floor like he wants, you know?
Vai com o bumbum tam tam, vem com o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum tam tam tam, vai mexe o bumbum tam tam, vem desce o bumbum.
The first time I ever saw Praja in my life. So this is actually way before Sanya and Praja started dating. I think I'm one of the not few, but like one of the few people who's known Sanya before Praja. We became friends, like I think a year or so before they started dating. And I still remember the first time we ever met him. It was a very like a planned affair. We were at her house, and obviously they live in the same building. And we were doing a history project where we made a Qutub Minar out of paper mache. Woo! And obviously, we know what a Qutub Minar looks like if it's made out of paper mache. Just think about it.
Freaky.
And we go downstairs, and my friend is holding the paper mache Qutub Minar, and Praja is on the merry-go-round. And then I'm like, and that's when we see Praja for the first time, and we're like, oh my god, that's the guy you have a crush on, and then we act like complete idiots around Praja.
You invited her for both.
Yeah.
So you sent him a message or just the wedding? But has she messaged her?
Yes, confirmed. I'm looking at the confirmation.
You're allowed to put +1s in your invite?
No
Only for Alibag you can put.
Huh?
There's a field in the Alibag thing saying, are you bringing a spouse?
Spouses and children, there's no +1.
It doesn't say +1,
There
but
is
it says, are you bringing a partner?
+3. I was gonna have a whole party
Will
there.
anyone be traveling with you in brackets?
Spouses and children. You can't just bring anyone.
Comma,
you
etc.
like.
No?
Yeah.
No, etc.
Comma,
There
etc.
is etc.
Okay, but you can't.
I
you
only
can't
put
bring
etc.
anyone.
I was not even trying to come. I was just sending +3. Yeah.
You can't bring whoever you want. We can't pay for everyone.
But that's not clear in your thing, Sanu.
You should have a wedding planner. You can't have
Get this started.
Now, a few words about Praja. Good looking, talented, and fiercely ambitious are all qualities that Praja wanted to have, but he missed the boat, so he managed to find them in his wife.
But above everything else, Praja, Sanya, Auntie and Uncle have always been the warmest and most welcoming people I know. Now, I've been a plague on Praja's household since the late 2000s. But until about 5 or 6 years ago, Uncle and I would just exchange, pleasantries when I would walk towards Praja's room. But it all changed when I got my new Royal Enfield motorcycle about 5 years ago. Uncle saw me with my helmet, and he turns to me and he says, "I didn't know you ride." And for those of you that don't know, Uncle loved motorcycles. The reason that he stopped, I leave to Praja and Auntie. So we got chatting, and one thing led to another. I said, "Uncle, would you like to take it for a test drive?" And he said, "No." Okay. And 1.5 minutes later, we were like cutting through Prabhalevi. I was holding on tight behind him. And ever since that day, every time he saw me, he had the biggest smile. And I'm sure he's got an even bigger one today.
सच ही तो कहती थी सखिया फंसे 1 2 3 4
No, but are you already down or you
No,
are collecting?
I am taking.
Collect. Okay.
Collect.
Okay.
Turn up the radio, blast your stereo.
Who made these fuck all clues? What is the meaning? What is it?
Come on, baby.